I took fashion merchandising because I wanted to learn how to sew and how to use my creativity more.
I would say some of the best things I've learned in the fashion design and merchandising class would be how to mend stuff and also to work together with other people.
It's a fun class. It teaches you patience, creativity, and useful as well, just knowing how to sew in general.
I always thought it was a lot of fun, and I've loved the teacher. She's just a great teacher in general. She's super laid back whenever she teaches, but also she gives us all the information that we need, and she'll help us out if we need as well.
I would recommend fashion merchandising to other students. I took it as a freshman, and though high school was very new to me, it was a really fun class.
I think that even if you don't go into the fashion field, fashion and merchandising would be useful.
It's one of the best classes I've ever taken, and you'll love the teacher, you'll love the curriculum,